Hello my beautiful viewers on Facebook and YouTube. Well, what I've got for you now is a DVD review. The complete seasons 1 and 2, all 40 episodes of Stargate Universe. 10 disc set. Well, here it is. You can see. There's the back. Right, well. What can I say about this series? When I initially watched it, it was a bit of a disappointment, if I'm honest with you. But since I've watched it again, and I've obviously bought the DVD, it's gone up in my estimation. I think the problem Stargate Universe had really was that people, myself included, were comparing it too much to Stargate SG-1 and Stargate Universe. And it was such a departure really from the other two shows really, like Stargate SG-1 and Stargate Universe. Stargate SG-1 went 10 seasons and movies, two movies, and Stargate Atlantis went how many, 5 seasons, you know. But I think that's what happened really, to be honest with you. It was such a departure that a lot of people didn't take to it. It was, I suppose it's, if you're a fan of it now and you weren't initially like myself, it's like a song. You can listen to a song and initially you don't like it, but then you hear it and it grows on you. And that's what happened with Stargate Universe, really. It was only 2 seasons. And it picked up in season 2. So it's sad, really, because they left it on a cliff edge, really, where they had to go in stasis pods, all of them apart from the actor David Blue, who played Eli Wallace in it. And he was the one who had like 2 weeks, I think it was, to figure out how to get into the stasis pod, which was broke. So you never find out. It just flies off. Well, you never find out on TV. He did some, I've just noticed this today, some like comic-y type things. I haven't looked at them properly yet, but this particularly, they went into FTL, which is like super fast, because everywhere they stopped, these robots wouldn't let them refuel or replenish the supplies. So, but the cast, looking back on it in retrospective view, was good. I mean, I think with one of the main characters, Rush, which was played by Robert Carlyle, for me personally, in my head, he was always Begbie from Trainspotting, you know. And I didn't like the way, as well, the character Rush was quite nasty in the beginning, but he mellowed as season 2 went along, you know. I see the good in everybody, you see, most of the time. So, but in the end, he was still rough, but he was a bit of a lovable rogue, really, I suppose, in the end, the character Rush. The other characters were great. It deserved another series, really. It deserved a season 3, if not a season 4. It was, but what ruined it, like, in my personal opinion, my humble personal opinion, was that it was too much of a difference to the other 2 series, Stargate SG-1 and Stargate Atlantis. People didn't take to it, but in the end, it was a great series. It had such potential in the last episode, you know, that it's sad, really. And if anybody from Gate World or Stargate itself is watching, please, 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 do, even if it's just 1 season to tie it all up, do another season of Stargate Universe. Do the fans some justice and give it another season. And tie all the loose ends up. You know. Just please do it. It deserves it. You know. I think another season, it might, if you get another season, it might even turn into a 4th season. So, in retrospective view, I would say I would give it a 7, 8 out of 10. to be honest with you. Because it was picking up. It had potential. But me and other people were the same thing. We expected it to be too much like Stargate SG-1 and Stargate Atlantis. And that's why I feel that it didn't take off. But it is a really good series. So if you like your sci-fi stuff and you've seen Stargate SG-1 and Stargate Atlantis, get this. It's worth it. It really is. It starts off slow, but it picks up. So please, if any of the Stargate SG-1 people are watching, or any of the actors who played in Stargate SG-1 or Stargate Universe, do another season. Lobby Stargate to do another Stargate Universe, to tie it all up. I think the fans deserve it, you know. I think the fans really do deserve it, you know. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this review of Stargate Universe. If you haven't seen it and you were a fan of Stargate SG-1 and Stargate Universe, then watch it, but don't make my mistake and try and compare it too much to the other two. Just look at it as separate and just take it for what it is. It's good. If you do that, don't make my mistake and all the other fans' mistake, you'll love it. It's 8 out of 10. Yeah, I'm going to go with 8 out of 10. And what have you. Well, thank you very much for watching my review of Stargate Universe. And if you like it, please subscribe. The button's down there. My channel, is, as you know, is James Higgins Open World. It's got 41 subscribers at the moment, heading for 50 hopefully, or maybe 60. Hopefully you'll be one of them. Thank you very much for watching this review. Thank you. Bye.